Why do 70% of construction projects face delays? Because of zoning issues. A zoning review ensures your project complies with local bylaws, land use, building height, setbacks, and lot coverage. If your project doesn't comply, you might need a minor variance or a zoning bylaw amendment. For larger developments, site plan approval is essential. It ensures proper building placement, traffic flow, parking, and landscaping. Need significant changes? Apply for a zoning bylaw amendment. This process involves public consultations and municipal approvals. For minor deviations, seek a minor variance through the Committee of Adjustment. This covers small changes like increased lot coverage or setbacks. Navigating zoning approvals can be complex, but we make it easy. At Nivo Design, we specialize in zoning reviews, site plan applications, and building permits. Let us handle the process and bring your vision to life. Call us today. Visit www.nivodesign.ca or email info@nivodesign.ca.